Hello and welcome to a beautiful sunshine yoga. Today's flow will help you cultivate strength and flexibility, including beginner with some modifications. When you're ready, we begin in a seated position. Rest your hands on your knees and close your eyes. Let's set your intention for the day or focus your breathing. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in again fully and breathing out completely. Continue your slow breathing in and out. You may now open your eyes. Let's start warming up our neck. Turn your neck a circular movement from right to left and the opposite direction, left to the right. Back to the center. Now roll your both shoulders up towards your ears and slowly roll downwards. Warming up your shoulders. Inhale both arms up. As you exhale, right palm next to your right side of the mat. Left arm overhead, a side stretch. Both hips grounded on the mat. Gently roll your left arm down, sweep through the front and back to the center. Let's do the opposite side. Place your left palm, left side of the mat and bring your right arm up overhead. Give another beautiful side stretch. Back to the center. From here, bring yourself to a child pose. Widen both knees and bring your tailbone down towards your heels. Both arms stretch forward, forehead on the mat. Continue your deep inhalation and your deep exhalation. Center yourself to a present moment. Bring your awareness, your attention into the mat. Now push yourself up to a tabletop. Sway your body gently to the right and the left, warming up your wrists, warming up your hips. Back to the center. Now bring your left arm over the right side of the mat. Right arm up. Option: right arm wrapped behind your back. Choose your option. Bring your right arm to the front and press yourself up to a tabletop. Check your position. Knees above the hips and wrists above your shoulders. Right arm over the left side of the mat. Left arm up or bring your left arm to the back. Breathing in and out. Slowly push yourself up to a tabletop. We are now come into a figure 8. Shift your hips and move your body. Continue the motion in fluid figure 8 shape. The opposite direction. Allow your spine to gently follow the movement for a full body flow. Back to the tabletop. Now sit upright and come into a kneeling position. Get into low lunge. Bring your right foot forward, back knee down, and your hands resting on your front thigh or on the ground for support, whichever option that you are most comfortable at this moment. Let's challenge ourselves now. Bring your right arm up, left arm placed gently at the back of your thigh. Deep breathing in and out. Slowly come back, both hands on your thigh. Palms on the ground. Bring your leg to the back. Now, opposite side. Left foot forward. Flat your right foot and knee on the mat. Palms on your left thigh. Breathing in and out. Bring your left arm up overhead. Right arm placed at the back of your leg. Give another beautiful stretch. Palms on your thigh now. Palms now on the ground. Tuck your back toe and bring yourself back into downward facing dog. Let's pedal both feet gently. Find your most comfortable downward dog this morning. You can press your heels down, even bend your knees. Slowly walk forward to the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift, and exhale, forward fold. Inhale again, half lift, look forward. As you exhale, gently forward fold towards your knees. Inhale again. Hands on your thigh or on the ground. Choose your option. And exhale. Inhale. Bring your body up slowly. Come into a standing pose. To incorporate a twist into a low lunge, inhale, arms up. As you exhale, forward fold, both palms on the ground. Inhale up. Exhale, bring your left leg back, left knee and toes flat on the ground. Left hand next to your front knee. Raise your right arm up. You can lift your back knee up. Choose your option. Bring your both palms on the ground. Come into a warrior two. Adjust your back foot, front knee above your front ankle. Breathing in and out. Warrior two helps us to strengthen our lower and upper body, improves balance and stability, opens the hips. Reverse warrior. Right arm up, back arm placed on the back of your knee. You can choose your option. Bring your arms wrap around your back. Release both hands, palms on the mat, and bring your right leg back. Come into the plank. Knees down, chest and chin down, cobra. You can straighten both elbows. Breathing in and breathing out. And come back to the downward facing dog. Breathing in and out. Inhale, right leg forward, left leg forward, half lift, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Get ready for opposite side, palms on the ground. Bring your right leg back, knee and right foot on the mat. Right hand next to your front leg and bring your left arm up overhead. Look at your top fingers. Breathing in and breathing out. You can now raise your back knee up if you want to. Simply tuck your back toes and lift your knee up. Now bring both palms at the front of the mat. Adjust your back foot. Come into Warrior 2. Gaze, look at your front fingers. Reverse warrior, arms overhead. You can wrap your back with your right arm. Come back to Warrior 2 and palms on the ground. Bring yourself back into downward facing dog and come to the plank. Knees down, chest and chin down. Cobra, push yourself up gently. Inhale and exhale. One more breath. Inhale. In your next exhale, come into downward dog. And join the deep inhalation and your deep exhalation. From here, we are going into a three-legged dog. Bring our both feet together. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, bend your top leg. Lean forward. Bring your knee closer to your chest. Inhale, swing your right leg up again. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, knee to chest. Inhale, up again. As you exhale, swing your right foot to the outside of your mat. Back knee down. Flat your back foot. Right palms press your right knee. Give yourself a twist. One more breath. And release your palms on the ground. Tuck your back toe and lift yourself up back to downward facing dog. Get yourself ready to the opposite side. Left leg up. Left knee to your chest. Swing your left leg up, three-legged dog. And knee to chest. Exhale. And inhale, leg up. Exhale, knee to chest. One more time, inhale, up. As you exhale, bring your left foot next to your left pinky finger. Flat your back knee, left palm on your left knee. Another beautiful twist. Slowly release both palms on the mat. Tuck your back toe. Lift yourself up back to downward facing dog. Deep breathing in and breathe out completely. From here, we're going to bring ourselves into a child pose. Bring both knees on the mat. Widen both knees and sit your tailbone down towards your heels. Straighten both arms overhead, or you can wrap your knees with both hands. Deep breathing in and deep breathing out. Now gently push yourself up. Come into a butterfly pose. Sit up tall with your spine straight. Bend your knees and bring the soles of your feet together, letting your knees fall out to the sides. Pull your feet as close to your body as is comfortable, but avoid forcing them. If you want to, you can lean forward and bring your forehead towards the ground. Continue your deep breathing. Gently bring yourself up. Keep your spine long and chest lifted. Allow your knees to gently drop towards the floor. You can flutter your knees gently like a butterfly's wings to loosen the hips or keep them still. We come into a viper stretch. Sit on the mat with your knees bent. Place your hands behind you. Drop both knees to one side, letting your hips rotate naturally. Swing like a viper. And come back to the center. Hug both knees to your chest. Release both hands and lie on the mat. Bend both knees. Feet closer to your hips. Arms overhead. Inhale, palms touching your knees, and exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale, swing your palms up. And exhale down. Again, work on your core. Inhale up. And exhale down. Inhale up again, touching your knees. And exhale down. Hug your knees to the chest. Rock your body to the left and right. Massage your back. Lean yourself to the side of the mat and push yourself up to a seated position. We're going to end our yoga today. And thank you for spending time with me. I hope you have a wonderful time. Namaste.